Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create or how to clone applications in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on apps. Then here you can see the option app cloner. Tap on this one. So here you can see some applications that support the cloning app cloner in this device that are installed. So here I am going to create the dual application for WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp and turn on this one. You can see WhatsApp clone added to home screen. So in case if you want to change the cloned application name, you can easily change, otherwise leave it. If you don't want, then leave it. So here I am going to create the application for Amazon. Go back, Facebook and also Instagram. Now let me show you how it works. Go to drawer mode. Now you can see to Amazon, to Facebook, to Instagram, then to WhatsApp you can see here. So simply in this way you can create the dual application or you can clone applications in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.